Are you still adding material like this? You open the browser, search for material, download it, extract the file, and apply it to the Blender. It's too many steps and boring. So, I have a solution for you. You can use this, the BlenderKit add-on. With this, you can search for the material you want faster than before. And this add-on is totally free. In BlenderKit, that's a lot of free and paid materials. Also includes 3D models, scenes, HD or image, and brush. First, go to BlenderKit website. You can use link on description below. With that link, you will get a 10% discount for every subscribe plan. Okay, next, you can click download BlenderKit right here to download the add-on, and click download to start the download. After download finished, you can open Blender. Go to edit and select preferences, select the add-on section, and select install. Search the zip file that you previously downloaded. Select the add-on file and click install add-on. And the BlenderKit add-on will appear here, and you can check it to activate the add-on. If it is checked, then there will be a BlenderKit menu at the top like this, and also on the side right here. Alright, the BlenderKit is ready.